Iran, which has been supplying Russia with weapons used in Ukraine for a long time, has increased the production of ballistic missiles. According to American sources, this decision aims to arm further not only Russia but also Hezbollah and Yemeni Houthis. In the context of ballistic weaponry and Iran, we should primarily mention the most dangerous systems produced in that country, such as the Fateh-110 and Zolfaghar missile families and the most advanced Shahab-3 and Emad. These missiles can be launched from mobile launchers, which makes them an additional threat to attacking units. They are harder to destroy due to their mobility. The range of Iranian ballistic missiles is significant. Fateh-110 reaches about 300 kilometers, but with Zolfaghar, targets can be attacked up to 700 kilometers away. The range of Shahab-3 and Emad, based on them, is even more remarkable, exceeding 1,500 kilometers. Previously, the United States and Israel had expressed concern about this type of Iranian arsenal, focusing primarily on the Emad ballistic missiles. It was estimated that their range is up to 1,750 kilometers, and the weight of the warhead they can carry is up to 750 kilograms. Notably, the warhead is adapted to holding different types of payloads. Americans suggested that it could also include nuclear and chemical weapons, as well as a load generating an intense electromagnetic pulse. As reported by Reuters, citing 2 American researchers who analyzed satellite images, as well as 3 anonymous Iranian officials, Tehran's missile arsenal is already the largest in the Middle East. It is estimated to reach 3,000 different types of missiles. Particular attention was drawn to satellite images of 2 complexes near Iran's capital. Based on these images, it was estimated that more than 30 new buildings were erected there within a year. Large earth berms surround some of them. Jeffrey Lewis from the Middlebury Institute of International Studies notes that this was done to prevent a possible explosion in one building from causing a detonation in neighboring facilities. This is a standard protective procedure where many flammable materials are stored. There are justified concerns that additional ballistic missiles will be used to arm Iran's allies, including Russia, which has been using various types of this country's arsenal in Ukraine for a long time. There is already evidence that Iranian ballistic missiles are also being used on the front line. The Russians have already received at least several hundred Fateh-110 and Zolfaghar ballistic missiles. Meanwhile, Iran announces more defiant military advances and remains unstoppable, for now. The head of the Aerospace Division of Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps announced that it has completed construction on Iran's 3rd underground ballistic missile factory. General Amir Ali Hajizadeh was quoted by Fars news agency as saying, "Step by step we are developing our defensive capability, and I announced today that in recent years we have built a 3rd underground factory for the manufacture of missiles. We will continue to further develop our missile capabilities forcefully," General Hajizadeh said.